Hey, what's up you guys, it's BritRox1234 here, and I am going to be doing another survival craft series. I'm not really good at this, because I'm usually with a friend, but maybe in the future I'll actually have friends on here. Let's get all of this. Jeez. Let's get all of this. So I guess I could start by getting, oh crap, by getting, stone, if I can find some. Oh wow, I'm a complete idiot. Let's get a bunch of this. If you guys love this video, please tell me. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you're new. I'm just gonna get a bunch of coal. This is gonna take a while. I'm not by myself today. I'm usually with a friend, and I really need to post this video soon. Just get these. I should get a lot more cobblestone. It'll help me in the future. Okay. I love doing survival. It helps me get tougher. When I started, I was horrible, and I was really good. Excuse me. I do have a cold, if you're wondering. I should probably get food. Let's go way over here, guys. I'm really bored, I'm sorry. I usually do this with friends. Oh look, a lava. Well, there goes my pickaxe. Okay, over here we go. Over here. I might do 3 AM challenges or finding Herebarn or something. I've been interested in finding it myself. Or guys, Steve Blue Sea, any of those guys? I'll try. There's a funny thing I've been thinking. It's not pretty that fun. It's not that funny, but like, if you want me to do this more with like friends, just let me know. But they're not really into the hunting Herobrine type stuff that I am. I actually do want to like find Herobrine and all that. I got that idea by 09 Shark Boy. He's a really good YouTuber. I technically do recommend you can watch him. He's pretty funny. He does this with friends. It gets scary at times, but why not? He was my inspiration to Minecraft. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. I'm gonna need these. Now, pumpkins are good to keep enderman off you. Okay. Let's go get more animals. I do wish I had like iron. I'm gonna need it for the bed. Like I need a I am a noob at this. Like anything. Oh. I won't be cheating unless you guys want me to for like a special house. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Hang on, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry. I had to do something quick. Okay, I'm gonna make a house here. Okay. Okay, there. Alright, this is just a really boring episode, guys. I'm sorry. Well, there. Okay, that's just gonna be my face. If you guys love this episode or like this episode or anything, give me a suggestions or anything. Let me know what you want me to do, and I will do that. There's like so many ways. Give me one moment. I want to show you one more thing. This is the Animalian Gaming thing. I can't think. I'm sorry. Please subscribe. We love new people. We haven't been uploading in a while. We know that. Please, just please, we would love it if you subscribe. Okay, I'm just going to do this. Subscribe. Click the little bell for notifications. Of when we will upload. Also, here's my channel. Please subscribe. Click the little notification bell. I only have one video. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at this. But, you know, that's all you're going to have to do. I have to go to a different account to do this. I'm sorry. But please, 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 please subscribe to Animonian and me. I'm new. If you go to on my page here, go to Animonian Gaming for future. You know that? I'm sorry. I did not do that. Also, go to Blue Wolf. He's really good. He does so much and everything. Alright guys, I guess this is it. Bye!